So here is our patio renovation. I took 30 wheelbarrows of gravel out of this area and about another 30 wheelbarrows of dirt to get this down to grade. We set the form boards with about an 1/8 inch fall to this corner from the block wall. And then my wife looked at the level and we set these fiberboard. We used liquid nail and got this fiberboard and liquid nail from Home Depot and just glued it to the wall all the way around flat on a level level. And then from this corner to the gate is another 1/8 inch fall per foot. And this is all dug out. It's about 208 square feet ready for pouring.